Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this series of NEET SS videos, today we are going to discuss about the seat matrix for last year, because the seat matrix is not yet published for this year. So we are going to discuss for the last year. For different branches, we have covered all the complete seat matrix for last year. First round, and whatever the seat got added in the second round, newly added seats completely. Totally there were 5,977, including uh, All India quota and DNB quota. So we have segregated based on the branches and based on the state. Okay. So in particular state, how many seats in DNB and in DMMCH. Similarly, for different branches, how many seats are there in particular branches. Suppose take cardiology, how many seats in DNB and how many seats in government and private institutes. If you are new here, please do subscribe this channel, because throughout the counseling process, on the 2nd of May, you are going to get your scorecard. Those who are not qualified, okay, those candidates are no need to worry. Okay, you can also check your prediction about the colleges that you may get. So how to predict the college, and as you can see here, how to check the cutoff fee and seats allotment. So there is a portal on the website neetmentor.co.in. There you can get all the details: closing rank, seat matrix, fee structure. Fee structure we have uploaded. Okay, so you can now see the updated fee structure. Allotment, you can predict the college, notification, college details, choice filling also. So you have multiple packages. Out of that, in 3000 package, you can get access to all the details I mentioned here. If you want to get access to the choice preference also, when the counseling starts, you need to go for 7500 package. In case you want call support, okay, discussion throughout the counseling process, guidance in each and every step, because the first two packages are not giving you the call support, rest packages will give you the call support. Accordingly, you can take it. So all these things, this is the screenshot from the website. All the filter options are there, so you can filter based on, like, okay, your rank is around 3000, so you can check starting from 2500 what are the options were available last year in particular branch. You can select the course, you can select the state also, in case you are interested in particular states only, like and you can select quota, and the fee structure filter also you can put it. Okay, in case your budget is up to 5 lakhs or up to 10 lakhs, you can put the upper limit of it. Bond, penalty, everything you can see here. Okay, college predictor option, eligibility rules, and these all things will be updated when we get the updates. Okay, now let's talk about the seat details. Okay, last year cardiology branch there were 772, so maximum number of seats in the cardiology were 491 were in the All India quota and 281 in DNB quota. After cardiology, we'll talk about first 10 top 10 branches based on the number of seats, and different branches are applicable to different candidates based on your group. Neurology, total seats 527. In urology, 512. Okay, so these top three branches are having more than 500 seats. Okay, critical care and medicine, mostly the seats in this branch is available in the DNB. Then nephrology, 429 seats totally, 352 in All India quota and 77 in DNB. And then you have gastroenterology, and then plastic and reconstructive surgery. Medical oncology has got 282 seats. Surgical oncology has got 270 seats. Then cardiovascular thoracic surgery, 233 seats. Pediatric surgery, 220 seats. Surgical gastroenterology, 147. You can take this the screenshot. I have included all the seats as per the last year counseling. Total 3779 seats in MCH and DM, and 2198 seats in DNB SS, or you can call it DRNB. Totally 5,977. If you want to see the distribution based on the state, okay, So that's how it is distributed. In Andhra Pradesh, how many seats in All India quota? 198 totally. In DNB, 46. Maximum number of seats is available in the state of Tamil Nadu. So 560 in All India, 196 in DNB quota. Then you have more seats in Maharashtra state, 428 seats in All India quota and 255 seats in DNB quota. Similarly, you can take a look. Okay, but this matrix is more important in case you are interested in particular branch, which is little bit rare. Okay, for example, head and neck surgery. Okay, so totally 20 seats in All India quota. There is no seat available in DNB. Okay, hepatology, 26 seats. Neuro anesthesia, 28 seats. So all the distribution you can see. Once you are clear about the seat matrix, okay, that seats are available, then you need to know, like, okay, whether it's possible for you to get the seat in your rank. Okay, whether you qualified in the first list or not, whether you have the possibility. So you can check the closing rank details, okay, on the neetmentor.co.in website. In case you find any difficulty in accessing the website, you can reach out to this number 9319128677, because the data we are uploading, okay, it has a huge amount of data. The data is available for other counselings also. Okay, so our developers are working on it to make it very easy to use. Okay, in the next videos we will talk about the counseling process, like how the counseling process goes on. Okay, what documents required, nitty gritty about all the details about the counseling. So that's all from my side in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.